Hello. Let's solve this differential equation. We're starting with the equation x dy plus y dx times y superscript 2 e caret xy plus y dx x dy times e caret x slash y equals 0. The key first step is to divide the entire equation by y superscript 2 on both sides. Watch what this does. On the first term, the y superscript 2's cancel out. On the second term, we're left with the group y dx x dy all over y superscript 2. Now we can see our exact differentials. The group x dy plus y dx is the differential of a product dxy, and the group y dx x dy slash y superscript 2 is the differential of a quotient dx slash y. By substituting these in, our entire complex equation simplifies to this e caret xy dxy plus e caret x slash y dx slash y equals 0. This is now incredibly simple. We just integrate both sides. The integral of e to the power of u do is just e to the power of u. So we get our final answer, e caret xy plus e caret x slash y equals c. And that's it, a complex problem with a clean solution. Thanks for watching.